Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can edit text on CapCut template. So let's start. If you use CapCut as your video editor, you can try to use template here. There are so many templates that you can try. There's a trending one, or you can try to search manually. So for example, let's try this apt Rose Bruno. You can tap it on use template. One, and in order to edit text, you can click or tap this edit. Now you can try to write anything in here. For example, this one, baby. Done. So if you feel like unsatisfied, you can try to a repeat, or you can try to a re-edit the text. You can click any text that you want here. Song or template here. Here you can try to delete all the text, default text, and again you can try to enter the text. Then you can try to recolor, or you can add some effect like glow or shadow, and even you can change your fonts